My name is Lady Moran. The Mexican culture. In its activity, I will take a little about the influences that the Mexican culture has in the work. Um, what is the Mexican culture? It is the mixes and the practice on tradition with the great social impact around the world from tradition to its gastronomic. Most reconsidered traditions the work. The most reconsidered traditions that the here and historic. The has been very imports and that is the which they are declared to never lose sake. That forbid. This holy celebrated for 2 days. November 1 or All Saints Day, dedicated to children, and November 2 to remember older relatives. And here's the costume in reconsidered the work in the communities. You can appearance every day. And they end. It's tradition to remember and commemorate the birth of their baby Jesus is and the gastronomic. Mexican gastronomy is reconsidered of the work for having a fisher touch in it for its Danish in the manis this will have pozole. His day Harry so chose basis ingredients is corn and depending on the religions they topping in the meat and complementary ingredients are other that can be enjoyed enjoyed pro, product they entered interior. Number 2. Enchilada. They this consists of the stuff of the corn tortillas, superfed with the beef, the kitchen, that has the vegan. Everything in is a little perception of the Mexican culture. I thank you very much.